Viewers, we will start Sa'i from Safa and go to Marwa and then Marwa to Safa. Remember, Safa to Marwa is counted as one round and Marwa to Safa is counted as second. Try to mount on Safa hill to view Khana Kaaba, but you will hardly be able to see it because of the ongoing construction work in Haram. Now say 3 times Allahu Akbar and say these verses.
Supplications to read near Safa.
لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له له الملك وله الحمد وهو على كل شيء قدير لا إله إلا الله وحده أنجز وعده ونصر عبده وهزم الأحزاب وحده.
Translation. There is no true God except Allah. He is alone and no one shares His supremacy. All praise be to Him who is the master of dominion of the heavens and the earth. He is the competent over all the things. Allah is the only true God who is all alone. He fulfilled His promise and helped His servant. He alone defeated many armies.
After that, you can pray to Allah as much as you want. You can say these in your own language and you start Sa'i between Safa and Marwa. You can see green lights at the certain points between Safa and Marwa. Men are required to walk very fast or run during Sa'i at these points. Let's start Sa'i.